Hello student, today we are going to learn under machine design types of welded joint. There are 5 main types of welded joint. This is the butt joint, this is base material, this is welded material, this is the lap joint, this is upper material, this is lower material, this is welded metal, this is the H joint, this is the base material, this is base material, this is welded material, this is the T joint, this is the base material, this is 90 degree, this is welded material, this is the corner joint, this is base material, this is base material, and these are welded material. In butt joint, 2 pieces are joined end to end, usually for connecting pipes and plate. This is the corner joint. In corner joint, 2 pieces of metal are joined at right angles to form a corner used in frame or box. This is the H joint. This is H joint. 2 pieces are joined. Their edges, this edge and this edge, used for thin sheet material. This is the T joint. 1 piece is welded to the center of the another at a 90 degree angle, forming a T shape, common in structural joint. This is used for common structural welding. This is the lap joint. 1 piece overlapped with other and they are welded together along this edge and this edge. This joint is used when to plate without cutting them. Number 1, butt joint. 2 pieces are placed end to end or edge to edge and welded together in the same plane. Number 2, lap joint. 2 pieces overlapped and the weld joint them along the overlapping area. Number 3, H joint. 2 pieces are placed edge to edge and welded along the edges. Number 4, T joint. 2 pieces are joined at a 90 degree angle, forming T shape. Number 5, corner joint. 2 pieces are joined at a corner, forming an L shape. Okay. Now, how welded joint is differ from riveted joint? This is the figure of welded joint. This is the figure of riveted joint. This is lap joint and this is butt joint. Now, how welded joint is differ from riveted joint? Number 1, welded joints join parts by melting them. Riveted joint use metal pin. Welded joint by heating, but rivet joint by putting a pin through the holes. Number 2, welded joint are stronger, riveted joint are less strong. Welded part hold more weight and are harder to bake. Number 3, welded joint do not leak, riveted joint may leak. Welded joint close all gap, but rivet can leave small space. Number 4, welded joint look smooth, riveted joint have rise part. That means welded area looks flat, but rivets extend outward from a surface. Number 5, welded joint are hard to remove. Riveted joint can be removed easily. That means weld must be cut to open, but rivet can be taken out easily. Okay.